Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. I am the professor. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the inverse function 2.3 inverse function. The inverse function maps member of range back to member of the domain. Consequently, inverse function can only be found for one-to-one function. Also hold the property f inverse of x equals f inverse of f of x equal to x. Already we know that the range and the domain. For example, if I have a function, say x, so we will assume the domain. We assume the domain as we have discussed in the previous video. So we are assuming that -1, 0, 1 and 2. We need to substitute this -1, -2, 0, 1, 2 in the function and we are finding some value. So whatever the value we found with this domain is called a range. Okay. Similarly, we are going to do this one. So the example 7, a function is defined as f of x equal to x square plus 4 where x belongs to the real number and x is greater than 0. Show that f of x is a one-to-one function. So we need to show this one as a one-to-one function. How we need to find the domain? So to show one-to-one function, we need to find the range and the domain. So let's assume the domain. Let the domain, here we are going to assume domain not from -2. So here already said clearly that x is greater than 0. So we're going to have a domain 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can go on, but I'm going to restrict until the 4. First, f of 1 equals, we need to substitute 1 in the place of x. Say 1 square plus 4 equals 5. F of 2 equals 2 square plus 4 equals 2 2s of 4, 4 plus 4, 8. F of 3 equals 3 square plus 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 4, 13. F of 4 equals 4 square plus 4 equals 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 4, 20. Therefore, we have the domain of 1, 2, 3 and 4 and consequently we got the range of 5, 8, 13, 20. So each value of x corresponds to the each value of the range. So this is the 1-to-1 relation. Got it? Right. Now let's see the B. What is given B? The B is find f inverse of x. We need to find f inverse of x and its domain. And its domain. Already from the question we know that f of x equals x square plus 4. Now we need to find the f inverse of x and its domain. To find the inverse, you need to rearrange f of x to make x as a subject. I am writing here to find the inverse. You need to rearrange f of x to make x the subject, meaning, so y equals x square plus 4, y minus 4 equal x square, x equals root y minus 4. You can say plus or minus. You need to state the inverse of x in terms of a domain. So f inverse of x equals root x minus 4. Why? Because we need to make x as a subject. So once we got this one, then replace x with y and y with x. So here we get y equal root x minus 4. So this is the inverse function. This is the inverse. Got it? Then go for C. We need to show f inverse of x equal to x. What is f of x here? From the question, f of x equal x square plus 4. F inverse of x. What is f inverse of x? F inverse, sorry, what is f inverse of x? We have seen, we have derived f inverse of x root x minus 4. So f of root x minus 4. Substitute this root x minus 4 in place of x square equals root x minus 4 the whole square plus 4 equals x minus 4 plus 4 equals x. So hence we have proved that f inverse of x equal to x minus f inverse equal to x. Already we know that the property, what is the property here? F inverse of x equals x. So whenever you do any function product of inverse of the same function will yield x. Suppose g inverse of x equal to x, g inverse of y equals y. Similarly, f inverse of y equals y. So here we have derived to show that f inverse equal to x. Okay, so you might have doubt finding the f inverse. Very simple. How to find the x? Whatever the equation f of x, to find the inverse of any function, first we need to assign to y x square plus 4, right? After assigning to y, you need to solve for x. So we have solved for x equal root of y minus 4, the first step, y minus 4, first step. Second step, replace y with x. So y equals root x minus 4. This is called f inverse of x. So f inverse of equals root x minus 4. Is it clear? Okay. See you. Bye bye. Have a great day.